In this ICP, our task is to complete application using client server model and using the MinStack framework. Here we need to, our goal is to have a web service display the results using the API. And currently in the project we are using a natural language processing API, where we have used a cloud infrastructure and created a cloud infrastructure and created the API. And we have taken the file API details here, where I have given the key to my API. And here we can see that we have one client and server. And we need to, and initially we need to start the server, where we will go to the local file and open git bash here. And once we have done the git bash, we will just use npm start, where we can get, where we will go will where the server start. Here we can see that it will start, server is listening on port 3000. And here are the some of the commands which I have given to my text, and I'm getting response from the client. We're coming to the code explanation. Here we have created a server function, where where we have taken the query, where it was getting in from the server the API. And we'll send all the details to the client, where we have taken a simple HTML page, where we have used a AngularJS as an application, where we have created an application, a function, where we'll get all the contents from the server, where we can get all the things from the API. Here the output of the project here looks like, when when we are given some text to the API, it will give us the context parts of speech. Sometime, say for example, if I give Prakash is a good boy, so it was telling is Prakash is a noun, is a verb, is good is an adjective, and boy is a noun. And here we can tell that this is how it works. And if we want to do some more example, we can do what is AngularJS. If you just copy the code. See, this is how we get the things from the such API. Like Google is a noun, and is a conjunction, community is a noun, individuals is a noun, address is a verb. So this is how the API gets, where the API we have started using the server. And where we have given the code in the server, where we'll post this method to the HTML, where we will get the data retrieving from here. Here get our main task is to complete. Here we have used the client and server model using main stack. And when we got we are calling a REST API, and that is from the server side. And we have clearly got the data finally here using API. This is my project application.